Before we move on further and see how to create this amazing automation, let's see how this automation will work. So as you can see, I have a total of 2 messages on my Discord right now, but once I am going to fill in this form, we will have 3 messages. I'll just show you. So for the first name, I'm going to keep it as test, last name as user, email as testing@pabblytunes.com. For the phone number, let's just first select the country as India and enter the phone number. After this, click on this OK, and now for the city, let's keep it as Indore and just submit this form. Now let's open our Discord, and yes, you're going to see a new message, new registration alert, the name, the email and the phone number. Yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to learn in today's video. So now you've seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of Discord messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch this YouTube video, this discount coupon code is just for you. But first, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, I am going to select it as type form because I am collecting the registrations using type form. So let's just select it. For the event, we have to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between type form and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with type form. Now what you have to do, make sure that your type form account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option to give Pabbly all the permissions which it is asking for. So once you get this option, click on this accept, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you have to select the form in order to create this automation. Okay, so let's select the form for which we want to create this automation. Now make sure that the response format is set to advanced and then click on the save and send test request. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to do a form submission. So let's just submit this form. So for the first name, I am going to keep it as new. For the last name, I am going to keep it as user over here. So let's just enter user. For the email address, I am going to keep it as this. Let's move on further. For the phone number, first of all, let's select the country as India, and then for the phone number, I am going to keep the phone number as this. Now let's move further and click on this OK. For the city, let's keep it as Bhopal over here, and then let's just submit this form. We have successfully submitted this form and completed the test submission. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. So now we are ready to go move on further and set up Discord. Okay, so this video is only going to mainly focus on how to set up Discord automation. So let's see how to connect Discord with Pabbly Connect. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Discord and you're going to find this Discord legacy, so select it. For the event, you have 2 options, send channel message HTML and send channel message markdown. So if you want to send HTML messages, select send channel message HTML. If you want to send markdown, you have to select send channel message markdown and click on this connect. And now it is asking for the webhook URL. Using this webhook URL, only the connection is going to be created. So what you have to do, you have to open your Discord, go towards the server name, then you have to go towards the server settings. Okay, so just click on the server name and then server settings. Now from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this apps and then integrations. Once you're on this integrations, you're going to see the option of webhooks. So go towards this webhooks and click on this new webhook button. A webhook name something like this will appear in front of you. So you have to name this webhook. So let's say I am going to name this webhook as new registration. Okay, so let's just name this webhook as new registration over here, and then we're going to move on further, select the channel. So as you can see, I want to send the messages in this channel which is new event registration. So I have selected the same channel. You have to make sure that you select the same channel in which you want to send the messages. This is the most important step. Now click on this copy webhook URL and then save changes. Now what you have to do, just open your workflow and paste the webhook URL right over here. After you paste this webhook URL for the message, let's just open my previous workflow and copy the message right from here. I'm going to copy and paste the message. But over here in this message, I am going to map the details. You must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to insert this data, you have to put a slash, search for the data and map it like this. And whenever we map, these details will change with every new response received. This means that our workflow is going to run in real time. So you're only going to map this name, email and phone number because I don't want the rest of the details to change, only this should change. After this, it is asking me for the bot name and bot icon. So if you want, you can definitely enter this, otherwise keep it as same. Same goes for the text to speech and click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the channel message on Discord. So let's open our Discord, go back towards the channel, and yes, over here is the new message. New registration alert. Over here is the name, the email and the phone number. Not only this, but now we're never going to receive a new form submission from this form, which is event registration form. Instantly in real time, our team on Discord will be notified. Not only this, you can create multiple more Discord related automations using Pabbly Connect. This was just an example to let you know how to set up Discord automation. But using this same technique in connecting Discord, you can connect and create many more automations. You can notify your teams on the new payments too. You can set up the Discord chatbot. You can do many more automations. And if you want to learn about these automation, we have a YouTube channel. And you can go on a YouTube channel and there we have multiple videos related to Discord automation. You can check it out. So go and try this automation yourself. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more automation tips, as I already told you, visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe it. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.